Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the screen freezing issues on VIVO Y21D. So if the screen of your device is frozen, you're gonna have to restart it or turn it off. So normally you would do this by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. And to turn it off, tap power off. To restart it, select restart. But in case your device is completely frozen and you cannot reach this menu, you can force shut down your device by holding down the volume down key and the power button for over 10 seconds. Just keep them both pressed together until the screen of your device goes off. This will indicate that your device is shut down. After that, we want to turn your device on once again, but in the recovery mode where we'll be able to clear the cache. So let's hold down the power button if you already see the logo to turn the device off. Okay, hope that it's gonna turn off eventually, but if not, we can turn it off after it boots into the system. Okay, so let's repeat the process, but this time let's power it off. Once it's powered off, we're gonna have to press and hold both power button and volume up keys at the same time. You will see the fast boot mode on your screen. Here we want to use the volume down key to switch to recovery mode and press power button to confirm. And once your device enters the recovery mode, we're gonna have to clear the cache of the smartphone so that it can start working. So here we want to select clear data, then clear cache. Okay, and as you can see, the cache wipe is complete, so now we can return. Now go back to recovery mode and select restart, or you can select enter safe mode to see if so basically your further steps are this: select restart and try using your device once again. If everything works fine this time, then there's no need to do anything. After that, the problem is resolved. If the device still freezes, you can enter the safe mode, and if everything works fine in the safe mode, then it means that some third-party application is causing your device to freeze, and you're gonna have to delete it in the safe mode. And if safe mode freezes too, then you're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation, which you can do by going to clear data once again and selecting clear all data. So let's just restart our device, and that's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.